welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be doing a Christmas blue eyeshadow look. First, I'm going to go in with ColourPop's Sonic Bloom palette for the base. Then I'm going to be going with my Ulta Beauty palette for the crease. Then I'm going to be going in with Beauty Bay's nude palette for the outer V. Then we're going to be using Makeup Revolution's Infinite Concealer for the cut crease, and there's the look. Then I'm going to add more blue to the outer V. Then I'm going to be using Ulta Beauty's palette again, using a different blue for the cut crease. Then I'm going to be using Pure Cosmetics Masquerade palette and using the blue glitter eyeshadow to create a halo eyeshadow for the cut crease. The lashes that I'm going to be using are Yes Queen by Morphe. And there's the final look. Thanks for watching.